If you care about men's health after 60, and lately you've noticed less energy, lower drive, or a dip in bedroom confidence, you're not alone. But here's what most guys don't realize. The wrong oils in your kitchen may be quietly draining your hormones, day by day, without you even noticing. Hello, I'm Dr. Nash, a men's health expert with over 30 years helping men over 60 restore vitality, circulation, and confidence naturally. Today, I'll show you 3 natural hormone boosters, powerful oils that can boost testosterone, improve blood flow, and bring back your bedroom edge without a single pill. And if you stick with me till the end, I'll reveal one overlooked oil most men ignore, but it could be the missing link you've been searching for. Let's dive in.
Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, where did my energy go? Or wondered why you're feeling just a little duller, not quite yourself? That low edge in the bedroom, the slower mornings, the dip in motivation. It's not just aging. For many men over 60, these symptoms point to something deeper, a drop in testosterone. And it can start happening gradually, even if you're otherwise healthy. Now here's the good news. There are natural ways to support your hormones, and one of the best-kept secrets? Pumpkin seed oil. Backed by science, what makes pumpkin seed oil so special? A 2014 study published in Clinical Nutrition found that pumpkin seed oil is rich in zinc and phytosterols, 2 critical nutrients for healthy testosterone production. Let me break that down simply. Zinc is one of the building blocks of testosterone. It helps maintain healthy sperm, regulates hormone levels, and supports energy and immune function. Phytosterols are plant compounds that help reduce inflammation, which can otherwise interfere with hormone production. And bonus, pumpkin seed oil is also rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which support your prostate, a common source of trouble for us older guys. What happens if you ignore this? When testosterone stays low for too long, you don't just lose muscle or libido. You risk chronic fatigue, depressed mood or irritability, mental fog and memory issues, poor sleep and lowered motivation. And over time, that can chip away at your independence, relationships, and self-confidence. Common mistakes men make, they assume it's just old age, so they don't look for solutions. They jump straight to testosterone replacement therapy without exploring natural support. They buy the wrong kind of pumpkin seed oil, processed, heated oils found in grocery chains often lose most of their nutritional value. My simple tip? Easy and natural. If you want to add pumpkin seed oil to your daily life, take 1 tablespoon per day, ideally cold, drizzle it on a salad or stir it into a smoothie. Look for cold-pressed, organic pumpkin seed oil in a dark glass bottle. That means it hasn't been damaged by heat or light. Bonus tip? Pair it with foods rich in magnesium, like leafy greens or dark chocolate, to support even better absorption and hormone balance. Remember, you don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight. Sometimes, a few drops of the right oil, taken consistently, can help your body shift back toward balance. Your energy isn't gone. It's just waiting to be called back.
Let me ask you something, man to man. Have you noticed that spark isn't what it used to be? Maybe you still love your partner, you still want intimacy, but when the time comes, your body doesn't always cooperate. That's more common than you think, especially after 60. And no, it's not always about testosterone shots or little blue pills. There's something far more natural, and it's been trusted for over 2,000 years. It's called black seed oil. And today, science is finally catching up to what ancient cultures already knew. What is black seed oil and why does it matter? Black seed oil comes from the seeds of Nigella sativa, a plant used in traditional medicine since ancient Egypt. Modern research, including studies published in Phytotherapy Research, shows that black seed oil helps boost luteinizing hormone, a key regulator in your body's own testosterone production system. Let me put that in plain English. It doesn't just add testosterone, it helps your body signal to make more of its own,
That's a game changer. Key benefits for men over 60. Contains thymoquinone, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress, one of the silent killers of hormone health. Boosts nitric oxide production, which improves blood flow down there, making you feel more responsive and confident. May support sperm count and mobility, according to a study in the Journal of Andrology, without pharmaceuticals. What happens if you ignore the issue? Low libido and sluggish performance aren't just physical. They affect your mental confidence, emotional intimacy with your partner, even your motivation and zest for life. And if left unaddressed, this decline in hormone function can spiral into mood swings, poor memory, weakened muscle tone, lack of drive, not just in the bedroom, but in everyday life. Common misconceptions and mistakes. It's just part of getting older. No, aging is natural, but giving up on your vitality isn't. Using black seed oil only once in a while. It's not a one-time fix. Like brushing your teeth, it works with daily consistency. Skipping quality. Many oils on the market are diluted or processed. You need 100% pure, cold-pressed oil, ideally in a dark bottle. Practical tip. Take 1 teaspoon of black seed oil before bed, followed by a glass of warm water. Add a spoonful of raw honey to improve taste and help with absorption. Do it daily for at least 4 weeks. That's how long it takes to see noticeable benefits. Trust me, your energy isn't gone. It's just been waiting on the right fuel. And sometimes, that fuel comes in the form of 1 black seed. Let me ask you, have you been feeling colder lately? Maybe your hands or feet are numb at night, or it takes you a little longer to get going in the bedroom, or even out of a chair. That could be your circulation talking. And for men over 60, that sluggish blood flow isn't just uncomfortable. It affects your heart, hormones, and confidence. The good news, you might already have a solution sitting in your kitchen. Olive oil. A study from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that men who consumed extra virgin olive oil daily saw a significant increase in testosterone within just 3 weeks. How? Let me explain. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which help keep your blood vessels flexible and reduce inflammation, both essential for good circulation. It also enhances insulin sensitivity, and stable insulin levels are crucial for hormone regulation. When combined with vitamin D, olive oil can actually stimulate testosterone production by improving cholesterol metabolism. Simply put, better circulation equals better hormone function equals more energy, sharper mind, and improved performance where it counts. Why circulation matters after 60? When circulation slows, so does everything else. Your energy drops, your sleep suffers, your sexual health declines, your memory fogs up, even your mood and confidence take a hit. And the worst part? Most men just accept it as if it's an unavoidable part of aging. It's not. Common mistakes men make. Using the wrong olive oil. Most store brands are blends or heat processed, stripping away the benefits. Always choose extra virgin, cold-pressed, organic in a dark bottle. Not using small amounts. Many men don't get enough. You need 2 tablespoons daily to see hormonal and cardiovascular effects. Not pairing it with the right foods. For max absorption and nitric oxide boost, combine olive oil with leafy greens like spinach or arugula. Practical tip: use olive oil as your main cooking fat, or simply drizzle 2 tablespoons daily over a salad, steamed vegetables, or toast. For even better results, eat your olive oil with sunlight exposure. Vitamin D helps your body convert healthy fats into hormone fuel. Want a bonus boost? Add a squeeze of lemon juice or balsamic vinegar. Both support digestion and nitric oxide release. High in monounsaturated fats, supports heart and vascular health, enhances insulin sensitivity, vital for hormone regulation. Works synergistically with vitamin D, boosts testosterone. If you've found even one of these oils helpful so far, take a moment to like this video and drop a comment. Which one have you tried or plan to try? That helps me create more content for strong men like you who refuse to age passively.
The truth is, you don't lose strength with age. You lose it when you stop reaching for it. You've just seen how something as simple and natural as the right oils, pumpkin seed, black seed, and olive, can support your testosterone, improve circulation, and bring energy back into areas of your life you thought were behind you. And here's what I hope sticks with you. Your body still wants to work well. It just needs better signals and better inputs. When you support it with nutrient-rich oils, when you move a little more each day, when you give yourself sunlight, hydration, and rest, you don't just age slower, you age smarter. Quick, practical tip you can start today. Swap your cooking oil tonight for cold-pressed olive oil. Add pumpkin seed oil to your salad or smoothie tomorrow morning. And before bed, try a teaspoon of black seed oil with warm water and honey. A quiet way to nourish your body while you sleep. It doesn't take much, just a little intention, repeated daily. Because what matters most at this stage isn't perfection. It's momentum. Small steps. Done consistently, that's how we build resilience, confidence, and calm from the inside out. Before you go, tap that like button if something in this video made you think. Share it with someone who could use a gentle nudge in the right direction. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. This is just one part of the bigger picture, and I'll be here to walk you through it. You've already taken the first step. I'll be right here when you're ready for the next. Take care of yourself. You've earned it.